Where do you think we are right now in those four cycles that you just mentioned?
Yeah, that's a great question. So I believe we are at peak, right? And I'll tell you what. Let's do a yes or no for this, right? And I'll read out some symptoms of peak, and you tell me yes or no if you think they're going on, right?
Okay.
High demand for housing.
Yes.
Okay. Wage growth.
No.
Okay. Job growth. Unemployment's pretty low now.
Unemployment's low. Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Right.
Mhm.
Occupancy rates are up.
Yes.
Housing inventory has dropped.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. So price increased.
Prices have increased. Yes.
Deals are scarce.
Deals are scarce.
Investors are overpaying.
Yes.
People think that rents and prices will continue to rise.
Yes. People
Okay.
think that. Yeah.
So that's leading into the peak, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's the expansion part. Peak is when the prices plateau, right? We're starting to see. I think that we're right at expansion. I think is done. I think that 2021 to 2024, let's call it, was like the tail end of the expansion. But
Mm-hmm.
right now, so what I've noticed is that the houses have had a higher days on market lately, right?
Right.
So sooner or later, right, the interest rates will start to come down, right, and some of those houses will start to sell, right. But what that might do is that might start turning the price of housing down, right. So when you start to see that, that's when things start catching up and reaching equilibrium. You've been in buyers markets before, right?
Yes.
Have you ever?
Yeah.
Okay. And you've been in
Years
sellers
ago.
markets before, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So
Yes.
I bought my first house in 2005, and I remember feeling lucky just to be able to get a seller that would sell to me at that point, right? And because we were in just an extreme seller's market. Well, fast forward 7 or 8 years after that, it was an extreme buyer's market when there were more sellers than buyers. So we're right at that point where like things are just, it feels like it's just about ready to tip. Not now, but I think about 12 months from now. There's an economist that I follow,